In today's video, I will walk you through how to add a contact on Telegram Web. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Adding a contact on Telegram Web is a quick way to keep the people you communicate with organized and easily accessible. Once you've added someone to your contacts, you can start chatting with them, search for their conversation more easily, and access them from any device where you're signed into Telegram. First, click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of your screen to open the main menu. From the menu options, click on Contacts. A panel will slide out showing your existing directory. At the bottom or top of this list, click the New Contact button. A small window will pop up asking for details. Enter your contact's first name, last name, optional, and the phone number associated with their Telegram account. Make sure you include the correct country code. Once you're finished, click Done. Don't have their phone number? No problem. You can also connect with people using their unique Telegram username. Simply click the search bar at the very top of your chat list and type the username starting with the @ symbol, for example, @username. When their profile appears in the results, click on it to open a direct chat window. From there, you can send a message instantly, and Telegram will automatically give you the option to add them to your contacts. To confirm that the contact was added successfully, return to your contact list or use the search bar at the top of Telegram Web. Type the contact's name, and if everything was entered correctly, they should appear in the search results. If you ever need to update a contact's information or remove them from your contact list, you can open their profile and use the available contact management options. Any changes you make will automatically sync with your Telegram account across your other devices. And that's how to add a contact on Telegram Web.